up from the workshop. We've decided to do these videos to show people exactly how we do things and the equipment we use and our in-house processes. So we're going to just do a quick video about this particular piece here. So this is a structural mounting plate that we're going to use for a job that we have coming up, and we're going to show you the process we use for doing it. This is 10mm plate, so it's extremely heavy, extremely strong, and it takes a special piece of equipment that we have to cut something like this so precisely. These are 22mm holes, and as you can see, if you want to just come a bit closer, you can see how precise and uniform and everything the machine does. We can replicate this time and time again, and they will be exactly the same every single time. So if you want to have a look at the computer here, first what we do is we draw it on AutoCAD, and as you can see, we have a simple enough drawing on AutoCAD. We then transfer from this computer onto our other computer here, and we have a program called SheetCam. So SheetCam allows us to put any shape on the computer and load it onto the plasma table. Then it goes from here to the plasma table, and this is cut out. From here with the machine, just like that. Okay, so this is, again, we have our plate, which we made earlier on. Ultimately, this is what we've turned this into. We have our plate at the end here. We have our support ribs cut, which was used the same process for the ribs, which just gives the box section dramatically more strength. It's on three sides. If you want to come around here and check out the three sides, it's on top, left and right, and we have a smaller one going underneath. Again, this is if you get a picture of the whole beam here. This is going into a studio, and it's going to be used for suspension training, RIP 60 and TRX. So what we do is we have our 12mm eyelets, and they get placed on there, spaced out evenly, and they're welded on. And again, we have two of these for both sides of a room that they're going into. So again, we do all our in-house fabrication, all our in-house plasma cutting, and we can make pretty much anything, any shape, any thickness. And this is a completely 100% custom to our customer.